now that you. So that was a step ball change. Step ball change. You're gonna pivot. Step ball change. Now point to your ice. My ice is an Apple Watch. It's fine. So we're gonna start from the beginning. Splash. Yeah, yeah. Now that you know how my ice be. You're gonna kind of turn a little slowly on your leg and then tiptoe once you get to the back to turn back to the front. How that looks is turn, tiptoe to the front. Okay? And you're gonna stop at the front, and this is another pinpoint part, which is Nike. So how you're gonna do it is you're gonna pull your knee up, which is your right leg, and you're gonna push it out. Nike. So you should hit like you're hitting a wall. So Nike. But you know me, so you're gonna push your leg out while swinging your leg forward. But you know me, roll your shoulders forward and lean to the side. I'm low key. Okay? Let's do that together. All from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. This, that, splash. Yeah, yeah. Now that you know how my ice be. Boom. I'm rocking. Boom. Over Nike. But you know me, I'm low key. I want you to look over your shoulder. Okay? So, low key. He's going to say, don't say your word. 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 Who that? Brrr. Okay? So after you're low key, you're going to step with your right leg. Right, left. Right, lift leg up. Then it's a left, lift your right leg up. Your hands are going to go left, right, boom. Right, left, boom, boom. Okay? So let's do it all together. I'm low key. Don't say a word. Boom, boom, boom. Word. You're going to step forward once. Word. And grab forward, okay? So you're going to hear word. Don't say your word. Huh. So you see how I grabbed out, pulled it back to my mouth, chest, pump, blade. So it's like this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? So word, boom. So you kind of sink. So because you're up on your tippy toes, you sink and then go down. You're going to step out. I've been trapping on my own. Step back out. Boom. So let's go from word, okay? The last word. Hand out, in. Chest, bump. Blade, swiggle down. Then you step out with your right, roll down, roll right back up, step further out and pulse. Now what that looks like is your leg is like this, open, and you're going to lean back and forward. Okay? So it's boom. And then you bring your legs back close, and you go pull, 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 hit your whoa. Hula. Okay? So it's going to be like this. I've been trapping on my own. Boom. Couple hit, 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 hit. Hula. You're going to step. You're going to go rock, star, boom. Okay, so that last click, click, boom is the improv part. So you can go boom, boom, boom. Or you can go boom. That's your style, your flavor, you add to that part, yes? So all together, it's going to look like this. You say, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. This, that, splash. Yeah, yeah. Now that you know how my ice be. I'm rocking over Nike. But you know me, I'm low key. Don't say a word, word, word. Who that? Boom. I've been trapping on my own. Boom. Couple hit, hit, boom, boom, hula.
They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This, that's...
Slash. that you know how my eyes be. I'm rocking C's over Nike, but you know me, I'm low key. Don't say a word, word, word. I've been trapping.